So hi guys, so today I'm going to upload a video on this issue of poultry farming, especially chicken, and you're going to ask me any question down below. Wanatoshana hivi. The car house is big. I'll show you a better view. Here they are, so many and really big. So this is how big the chicken house looks like, and then kuna hizi zingine that are outside here, but I'm going to have a much more detailed clip on how I manage to take care of my chicken. Sijui kama mnaziona. So there are many, and I also do free range, but a few of them, like ignore the dog, but I have a number of free range chicken.